Bruce Mechanical Incorporated. With lots of contractors calling spring home, it's no wonder that the HVAC system in your property could be vastly different from others. Fortunately, being able to work on diverse HVAC setups is one of Bruce Mechanical Incorporated's core strengths. Our talented technicians have the experience to understand what's going on with your particular situation and the ability to provide the best possible solution efficiently and effectively. For more information, please visit our website, www.brucemechanicalhvac.com, or contact us through phone 281-651-2476. You can visit our office, 22820 Interstate 45N Suite 7P, Spring, Texas 77373. Bruce Mechanical Incorporated.